When learning how to pronounce the decimal places, like a machinist, the best method is to visualize a tolerance as a single group, when pronounced together as a unit. As metric tolerances are measured in parts of a millimeter, a 3-digit tolerance will be used. The main grouping for machinists using metric is the first 3 decimal placements to the right of the decimal. Depending on the desired precision level, most tolerances are to the 3rd decimal place, or the 1000th place. In this grouping, 0.123 is pronounced as 123 microns when said aloud as a grouped unit. If there are zeros in the 1st decimal place, 2nd decimal place, or both, the 3rd decimal place will still be the decimal place spoken when a tolerance is pronounced as a grouped unit. For example, 0.023 is pronounced as 23 microns. 0.003 is pronounced as 3 microns. If there is not a numeral in the 3rd decimal place, the 3rd decimal place is still spoken when a tolerance is pronounced as a grouped unit. For example, 0.1 is pronounced as 100 microns. 0.02 is pronounced as 20 microns. The pronunciation method still works as there are theoretical zeros to the right of the 0.1 and the 0.02. Therefore, 0.1 is actually 0.100, and 0.02 is 0.020.